Hello, Indy, the Introspective creator. I am delighted to meet you. I'm Dr. Minette Riordan. I am the creator of this Creative Superpower quiz and the founder of Mindful Patterns, a company dedicated to using art as a creative process for self-discovery and personal growth. And this is something that you, Indy, excel at, is using your art as a tool for diving deep. Your creative superpower is introspection. It's that ability to live in your imagination, to go diving into the depths of your very being, into all the aspects of your soul, and to bring that up out from inside of you and onto the canvas, the page, the photograph, the dance, whatever your preferred version of creative expression it comes from within. You're a very intuitive creator, and you love, love, love deep diving into all the nooks and crannies and corners of your stories and your life. So your superpower is introspection, but your kryptonite, Indy, can sometimes be that you spend so much time within those inner worlds that you fail to bring it up and out to sort of catch your breath, lift your head up and look around at what's going on around you in other parts of your life and the world and your relationships. And inspiration can come from adventures in the outer world as well as those adventures within. So, Indy, it's so important to really find that balance between meeting our own need for introspection and remembering to lift up your head and look around every once in a while and share your amazing, creative, and unique expressions with others. The world needs what you have to offer, and your courage and ability to go within is so inspiring to others. And sometimes it's about taking a minute to pause and share your practice, to share your experience. And this can often be a clue to finding your purpose, is finding that space between introspection and outer creative expression in the world. So go ahead and read the rest of the information on the page. You're going to learn a lot more about Indy. There's some journaling prompts, which as my introspective creator, you're going to love diving deep into those prompts, as well as find some additional information in other ways to learn more about yourself as Indy, the introspective creator, the ways that your superpowers support you, what some of your biggest dreams are, and knowing this information, how can you use it to go out and create and share your creations out in the world with a lot more courage and a lot more confidence. You have the courage to go within. Let's work on that courage to go without. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.